Stroke Frenzy.
Let me start by saying that this is probably a bad idea. Today I'm at Battlesburg MX, riding a real motocross track for the very first time. I've never done this before, never hit a jump. I'm basically the guy that they warn you to stay away from in the rider safety meetings. But hey, I'm here, so let's gear up and see if we can send it. All right guys, super nervous. First time ever on a motocross track. Some of this looks really thick. Let's see how it goes. I know I probably can't clear any of these jumps to save my life, but hey. Whoa, this is thick, dude. First freaking stall ever. Come on. That's really steep. Like, some of this is so thick, you can't even really go through it. Okay, let's go around here. Like, I don't know how to get through all that. They make it look so easy on YouTube. Hopefully throughout the day, it's gonna get packed down a little bit more, and I'll be able to hit the corners faster, and I'll be able to, you know, maybe even hit some of the smaller jumps. We'll see. But one lap down, I feel like I'm gonna puke. Let's do one more. All right, I got 2 solo laps around the track. People are starting to go out on it, so honestly, I'm gonna let them pack it down a little bit, create some lines and some ruts. So obviously they seem a lot more comfortable than me, so I'm gonna let them do that, and then I'm gonna rest a little bit, and then I'll go back out. Try this little Pee-wee track because nobody's out here. Whoa, buddy. Tracks are a lot harder than they seem. They look so easy on video. Oh. I can already see some lines that are starting to form, that some of these guys are like digging in. So I'm gonna try to stick to those and maybe put it in like second gear and just do the whole track in second gear and see how that works. I'll wait till a couple of these guys come around here and pass though, so that I don't get caught in front of them and screw them up. I can't even wear these. Guys are leaving the track, so hopefully that'll clear some room for me to be a goon out here. Actually, to be a goon, you kind of have to have talent, so. Whoa, I jumped that really high. That was cool. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know, the hardest part about this, honestly, and it's really weird because it's normally something I don't care about, but the hardest part about this is caring what people think, because you clearly look like you don't know what you're doing and you almost crash. Like, people kind of smile and kind of makes you a little intimidated. This guy's getting it. He's been fast all day. Got a little air there. You can tell I definitely don't know how to hit jumps. I gotta remember to breathe. I keep getting out of breath, and it's because I forget to breathe. Who would have thought? This looks super intimidating. Yeah.
This is my second time here, but the last time I rode on the track, I fell.
Oh, really? This is my first time I've ever been on a motocross track at all.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I'm on a 450, which is insane. And I know. And 'cause that's all I got, but and I already fell once this morning, so got any tips?
Definitely do a slight lap.
Yeah.
Start off with smaller jumps.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, when I went through this morning, there were no ruts. It was all just like farm field, like.
That's even worse.
Yeah, it was awful. Okay, that's the biggest concern I have is like getting run over. So as long as they'll go, I'll just stay in my line and they'll go around basically.
Yeah.
Okay. Getting a little better. Hey, you running that thing at 80 horsepower? No. Come on, man. Start hard. Two of them. somebody up. Gotta do a full lap. Oh, this is intense, dude. Guys, I think we're done for the day, man. It's been a crazy experience over here at Battlesburg. I hope you enjoy.